Let's cook seafood, shrimp, and crab. And these are the ingredients. Look at that. I first butter this one. Yalla, we cook now. First, I saute the garlic. And then, the onion or basal. This is the seafood butter with garlic butter shrimp with a crab. Butter, and then of course I add olive oil. I think 3 to 4 spoon like that. Olive oil. Ayan. After saute the garlic and the onion, we put our crab. Look at that. So yummy. And the shrimp. European. And then we put now the ingredients. The seasoning. Sweet paprika, magic sarap, and black pepper and chili, like that. Of course, this one, yeah, and of course this one, black pepper. Oh, so look yummy. And of course, I put, I think, 3 to 4 spoon oyster sauce. This one. And I put this one, Sprite. I think 1 cup. Yan, Sprite. And then, ready to taste and ready to eat. Look at that. I cover it. And then, a little bit boil. Ayan. Looks yummy na. Ready to eat. This is the seafood. Crab with shrimp. Look at that. So yummy, yummy. Shout out to all my supporters and subscribers. Ate Roxy ko, Sis Brit Pinay, Mommy Arms, Sisi Love, Lina Bilog, Sisi Love Rosemary G, to all my team Yorupa, and to all my team Jemon Live TV Official. Mega loud shout out sa inyo. Happy New Year everyone. Nag New Year resolution na si Maria. Magpo-focus na ako ulit ngayon sa pagbablog. Ayan. To all my supporters and subscriber, thank you so much sa pananatili nyo sa aking channel. Ayan. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Sa hindi ko ma-mention, pasensya na kayo. Yummy. I add a little bit black pepper and paprika. I add little bit. It depends for your taste. And a little bit salt. I add it. And also I add oyster sauce. Yeah. It's cooked already. Yeah. Mm.